Hello and welcome. There's my motorhome, and as you can see I've been out in the forest and I've been here for now a couple of hours. I've been filming stuff. I've been filming mainly stuff for my history channel about this location, which was a former POW camp, Stalag 324. If you're interested, there'll be a link below. I've also in the forest I was trying to film some birds. I don't think I'll be publishing that because it won't come out very well. One thing about walking through the forest is this: there's lots of mosquitoes here at this time of the year, so I don't recommend that people do what I have done. But now sandals is a bit daft as a general rule, but because you get twigs and things caught between your feet and your shoe. But more the point is the insects. Now normally, and you may have seen videos of mine where I've said I'm not going in there because it's going to be full of mosquitoes and insects, and above all what I am frightened of, okay, a mosquito bites you and it hurts a bit, sometimes it even hurts as long as 2 weeks, but I mean if you get a tick you've got something really dangerous, because these things you can scarcely see them, and they can cause quite serious diseases such as Lyme disease. Now, I have been out in the forest and I have sprayed myself with this stuff. This is called the bug spray, anti-mosquito spray, and as far as I'm concerned, this is now the best product I have ever tried. Now, I wouldn't be out doing this video here today if I didn't think so. And I'm not being paid to actually do the video, although the company does belong to a friend of mine. So this stuff here I found works really well. I mean, I can assure you I certainly wouldn't be going in the depth of the forest. It's all right standing in the place where I'm right now in the sun, but when I was earlier in the forest, then you can see the videos. I'll give you links to prove to you that I was in the depths of the forest like this. I certainly wouldn't do that because of my fear of ticks above all. So this stuff is produced in the Netherlands, and so I'll leave you some links below. If you're interested, you can give it a go yourself, and there's no what do I call it? I won't get anything back from it. Well, you might send me some stuff, hint hint. But other than that, give it a go and see how it works. Thanks for watching.